Good morning, this is Kona Man Studios. Then do a review of this 1101 from Milwaukee with free safety cutter. Got inspirations from Nick and Dan Sauter. You know these cases, you need a knife to open them. Let me open it, I'll be right back. Alright, we got it open. This the safety cutter. You just pull it into your boxes and little cheap thing. Well, this is the Milwaukee 1101. You see your tips. You get out. And it's hard to do one-handed. Let me take them out and I'll show you all the pieces. Alright, here's all the pieces. Here's your Torx. Here's a number 1 Phillips and a, what do they call this one? Quarter straight. Here is your number 2 and your 3/16 flat, and this is your 2 Torx. It is a T15 and a T10. And this is your smaller 1/4 inch socket. I think both sides. This is your 3/8 socket. And your 5/16 socket. So you got your you see here your 3/8, 5/16 quarter, your Phillips 2/1 flat 3/16 quarter, your square 2-in-1, your T25 15 and 10 from Milwaukee. I think this is the one that has the most available on it. It has a let's see if it has it on here. Yes, it does, right there. Limited lifetime guarantee. My life or their life. So now also they actually have a 12 on this, is a 2 holes for bending wire in it. So you get the part number. Is a 48, 22, 27, come on focus, 61 is the part number. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, the price was $10 plus government. So you guys all take care. I'll talk to you now in the next one.